Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm by myself. The resident toy expert is at school, so I get to play with the toys all by myself. I'm so happy. So today I am going to be doing this Make It Mini Spaces, and it's the pizza shop, and we do have the ice cream one to do another time, so I'm sure my resident toy expert will be making me do that with her. So I'm going to go off and cut all these little bitties that are around the side, and I will see you in a minute. Right, so now I've got all the little plastic clips off. We can have a quick look. This is all the different bits we get. I've got a feeling I'm going to have to do some speed up on this video. For some reason I thought they actually came with a pile of pizzas, but maybe we'll just have to get some kits and make some pizzas for it. Okay. See, these are all the holes where the little plastic bitties were in. Oh, look, I left one. And everywhere is now covered in little bits of plastic. Right. Ooh. Fragile. Handle with care. Right, gosh, there's lots of bits and pieces here. Ooh, I like the little palette. Oh gosh. Right, let's see. I'm assuming this is all the instructions. Gosh. Wow, this is like proper football. It's like getting Lego or something. Let's see now. I will read this and I will come back to you. So to start off with, we have all these sheets of double-sided tape. So we have to lay them across this board here. Why they couldn't have done this for us, and you just pulled the top off, I don't know. So you have to lay them across and then pop your tiles on top. Right, so let's give it a go. Right, I've stuck the first one on to give myself a little idea of how they're supposed to go. Now, there's the first one there, and then I take it you go along that way. 3 per, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, seems simple enough. This may be obvious, but it's blinking sticky. See, it doesn't show you this in the advertisement, does it? Oh, crikey. Probably should have lifted this first. Right, so that's that bit done. I'm not sure how successful. It might have been better if they'd had some guidelines on here to help. Right, now we've got to find out where all the tiles are. Alright, so we're looking for the red one with a hole. So that's that one. So you put it, is it that way? Looks like it might be. I have to say these are pretty slippy. So that goes in. I'm going to assume it doesn't really show you, I have to say, which way the hole's sticking. So I have a feeling I may have to pull it out at some point. Okay. Right, let's get sticking. Okay, it's not perfect, but hey, not bad, I think. Right, now there's instructions here that have, so I'm assuming it means if you stuck the wrong one in, take it out and stick that one in. And I have to admit, I did put that one in the wrong way round, so I did take it out. Right, I'll have another read of these instructions and be right back at you. Right, so we start with this bit, and you have the weird bits at either side. Now, these are all different, or slightly different, so match them up before you stick them down. Ay, ay, ay. Peel and apply, and then pull that one. I'm going to pull this closer to me, I think. See these nails? They might look good. Sure don't have to get in the way. Crikey. Don't know whether to try pulling it off because I've missed a tiny wee smidge on that side, which is annoying. Can we just pull it off? Maybe not. Right. Same goes with this bit, I suppose. See, now I've lined it up there, which looks pretty good, but then it doesn't seem to line up quite so well across the middle. Quite happy with that. Don't think this is what you're supposed to use it for, but hey. So, that is wall number 1 done. Not bad. Okay, so I'm assuming, maybe I'm wrong, I'm assuming that they've given you extra pieces in case you want to decorate it different. So you could decorate this side with this. Oh, crikey. Excuse me. Or you could decorate this side with that. And apparently this bit goes on there. So, right, more double-sided sticky tape apparently. This we can do. So, one along the top. Done. So then now it says to fit it from the bottom, but what if you get that bit wrong? Surely you'd be better fitting it around the window, because if you get the bottom bit, see, that doesn't. I'm putting in all the hard work so you guys don't have to make these mistakes. Oh, let's have a look from the other side. That's right. Oh, hey. If you I'll let you know if I've got any double-sided sticky tape at the end, because I reckon you could probably do with an extra piece there. Right, so that is wall 2. Okay now, so, oh yeah, you do have to have the whole wall covered. There we go. Double-sided sticky tape. Would you not be better sticking it on the back of there? Yes. Which side goes forward? Is it that one? Or is it that one? And therein lies the question. I've made a decision. I'm not sure how this is going to work. Could have got it the wrong way round. Who knows? We'll find out when I go to stick it. Okay, so it doesn't go all the way across. That's the thing. Right. What do we think? Assemble. Right, we have our wee bitty. Right, so it must be this way. And that way. Yes. Here's where you find out if you've done it right or not, I suppose. Will it stick in? Do I not have the strength? Probably not. Did I put it upside down? Maybe I blinking did. Yes, I did. I did it upside down. How clever am I? Excuse me, folks. So yes, I stuck it all on upside down, and then I pulled it all off and re-stuck it on. Right, so this you don't need if you're just having one room. So I have taken out this one and put in a normal one. So you would keep this to the side, I suppose, unless you're building several at a time and you want to join them together. Right, so I've slipped that in, and then this goes on there to join it and make it nice and stable. Voila! I did it! Woohoo! Looked more complicated than it was. I made it more complicated than it was. Right, now we have to put a light behind it, so I'm going to do this. Apparently, ooh, look. So you can see the holes. I don't know if that light's going to stay there. So we need the shelving units. I'm assuming they're in here. Oh, that's glass things. What's in here? More glass things. Don't tell me more glass things. Yay, more glass things. Right, I'm assuming these are the shelves then. Yay. Right, so count. Oh, this is your little piercing tool, apparently. So count. Where do you want them? It doesn't actually tell you, look. It doesn't, oh crikey, it doesn't say count 3 along here or, you know, 4 along there. So I'm going to say that probably, oh hang on, no, it must be there. So that must be the top one. And then you count 1, 2, 3, and then you stick that one in there. And then you go 1, 2, and you stick that one in there. And you go 1, 2, and you stick that one in there. Happy days, folks. Happy days. Right. Apparently, I'm supposed to do it here as well. Aha! 1, 2. Oh, hey, not so hard to actually push through, I have to say. Right. I'm guessing this is also the reason for extra wallpaper, in case you make a mistake. Alright then, so, and then the shelves, oh, the shelves literally just sit there. So if you knock it or move it, they're going to fall off. Well, that's not so good. They should have like clips or something. I'm not overly happy with that bit. And then there is no, I'll show you. There's none here. Doesn't tell you where to stick them. Just guess, I guess. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And how many have we got in between there? 2. So it's not going to be even, really. Which is also annoying. So pick whatever you like, really. So if I put it in there, space, space, there. There's 4 on that side, 3 on that side. Doesn't tell you. 1, 2, 3. Oh no. How many holes are these ones? 2 in between. Right then. Again, I'm kind of annoyed that there's no glue or no fittings for the shelves for these things, because they're just going to fall off. So maybe pop a little glue Loctite or something. Right, let's put the light back up now, if I can. Hold on. Whew. Right, onwards and upwards, folkies. Furniture. Now we get to the good bits. Right, so we opened up all of our little, I'll push you to the back. Oh, there goes the little pokey tool even. So we've got all these pallets just for sitting on the floor. Oh, there's this bit. So you put this bit on that bit, or is it that bit on that bit? Oh, I'm assuming it's that bit on that bit then. Right, and then you... This bit's the back. Not overly impressed with the instructions. However, it's easy to pull apart, so no problemo. Right, so you start with sticking these side bitties, apparently. There should be a notch. Okay, so it says here, look, there's a wee cut out bit. Where is it? Am I not seeing it? Am I blind? Oh. To help if I held it the right way around, I suppose. I'm just not sure how these fit together. Oh, I feel like I'm missing something. Okay. I was missing something. I couldn't see the tiny little grooves that were there. Did I put this one up? Oh my goodness. I swear to goodness. Tell you, these videos would not suggest I'm crafty in any way, and yet I do crafty stuff all the time. I've made doll's house furniture from wood and all sorts, but these things seem to escape me. Right, let's see. I'm assuming that goes on the top, but then again, you should never assume anything, I suppose. Ooh. And then that goes in there. Hee. And then you can stick your little shelves in whenever you want. Well, tell you, if I can do it. Don't think I'd want to do this on Christmas morning, mind you. How cute does that look? Right. This bit we've all been waiting for. Decorate all the interesting stuff. So where does the case go? Over here, apparently. And then you can stick your little palette over there. Now, okay, maybe they should have said stick the stickers on first. Why is this the opposite way round? That's not the way they told me to do it. You seen me? Yeah, that look. Okay, this is really strange. Look, they have a completely white floor and a tiled side bit. Maybe they're saying, look, you could do it loads of different ways. Oh, that's probably what they are saying. Decorate it how you want. They certainly give you enough bits to do it. Right enough. Okay, let's just, where are we going to stick these? Why couldn't they have told me to stick them on the counter beforehand? Mamma mia. label. I know. Right, let's see what's in here. Let's see what fun and joy they're giving us now. I see. Ooh, right. So you could have that in there with a little pizza cutter and pepperoni slices. It's little pepperoni slices. So surely that would be, well, probably in a fridge, to be honest. But we'll stick it on there. Ooh, crikey. Butterfingers, as usual. And then you've got your little mushrooms. Your little Happy Farm mushrooms. And your little pizza box. Very exciting. Oh, that's how they've got it. I'm just going to do that. And then, where's your pizza? I'm not going to take it out of the packaging, I don't think. Let's see what it say. Call 555 ZA. Feeling lazy? Call 555 ZA. Ordinary. That's very cute. So that's that then. Oh, we've got 2 pizza crusts. What's the difference? The sauces? One's marinara and the other one's... Let me know in the comments if you have any idea. Okay, so do I like this? Yeah, it's kind of cute, I suppose. Do I think the instructions could have been better? Most definitely. And let's face it, that really, that doesn't fit in there. How are you supposed to do anything? No. Let's see. Is there that in there? Just. Ugh. Maybe that shelf's pointless, actually. If you took that shelf out, you could have that display set right there. I think that would be better. That's just my opinion. I do like these stickers. Probably should stick some on here, shouldn't I? Before we finish up. Where could I pop this? Sunny Rose pizzas. All day deals. Not sure I can fit the rest. They don't give you much space for it. Oh, now had I seen this beforehand, look at that. They have them the other way, and then they have the shelves sitting like that. You see? Just that might be better for gluing right enough. Oops, excuse me. Yeah, I'm not overly sure about this kit. Anyway, right, so there we go then. Our little mini pizzeria. I'll just scroll out. As I say, there's plenty of, so let's see, there's quite a few of these strips left over. So if you want to make anything more secure, you can. We also have a full wall of these, and then another, so you can choose which you want on which wall. Had they actually maybe said that at the start, these are extra, decorate it how you want. You've got stickers for both walls, and you know, this brick effect for both walls, then you know, you could make up your mind. And we've got extra stickers, and then obviously we've got you can obviously you can put this on the walls as well, and if you want to join it to another one, you can use that. Okay, so probably for the price, actually it was probably pretty good. I actually got it on an Amazon Day deal, so it was only about £12. So that's not too bad. So, everybody, thank you for watching. For what it looked like, I actually did enjoy doing it. We have the ice cream parlour one of these to do as well, and we've got a furniture one for the ice cream parlour to do. So please check back for more videos. If you like this one, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. We're still new and experimenting, and we've got lots more content to come. We've got lots more toys to unbox, and we're really looking forward to it. So thanks again. Thanks for your support, guys. Thanks. Bye.